The dumbbell bench press is one of the most effective exercises for building a bigger, stronger chest. But the moment your technique slips, your shoulders and triceps begin taking over, leaving your chest doing very little work.
That's why some people can press heavy weights for years and still never build a thick, well-developed chest.
Today, I'll show you the 8 biggest dumbbell bench press mistakes that silently destroy chest growth.
Mistake number 1, poor setup. Most people bench with unstable feet, which immediately reduces their strength. Instead, plant both feet firmly, push into the floor, and create strong leg drive before every rep. A stable lower body creates a stronger press and allows your chest to produce much more force. Mistake number 2, weak grip. Place the dumbbell deep into your palm, squeeze the handle hard, and keep your wrist perfectly straight. A stronger grip creates a stronger, more stable press. Mistake number 3, poor shoulder positioning. Pull your shoulder blades back and down. Lift your chest and maintain a slight natural arch. This creates the perfect platform for your chest to do the work, instead of your shoulders. Lower the weight slowly over 2 to 3 seconds and stay in control the entire time. Pause briefly, then drive the dumbbells upward with power while squeezing your chest. Mistake number 5, pressing straight up with flared elbows. Instead, keep your elbows around 45 degrees and follow a natural pressing arc. That simple adjustment places much more tension exactly where you want it, your chest. Mistake number 6, your forearms collapse inward as the weight gets heavier. Mistake number 7, smashing the dumbbells together at the top. Stop once your arms are over your shoulders and keep constant tension on your chest. Leave your ego outside the gym. Perfect technique with a lighter weight will always beat sloppy reps with a heavier one. Master these 8 mistakes, stay consistent, and your chest will finally start growing the way it's supposed to. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more science-based fitness tips that help you build muscle faster and train smarter.